I've done a lot of work making products that help single installers be more productive. I found myself working alone after a period of having employees and crews and stuff like that. I found one day myself without any employees. I started coming up with these ideas for tools that would allow one installer to kind of do the work of two. Now, here's the caveat about that. No matter what I produce, there's no way to make one person more efficient than two people. And I don't even know if it's possible to make one person as efficient equally as two. Because there's synergy whenever people work together, right? It's the idea that two horses can pull more weight than the sum of the two horses separately. A single installer is going to make more mistakes than two because two heads are better than one, right? Two sets of eyes are better than one set of eyes. You have someone there to check your math. So while I have been able to work, be productive, even be successful by myself by using various tricks, tools, utilities, etc., I make more mistakes. I damage more glass. It's just inevitable. If you are a single installer and you need to be more efficient, check out glassgadget.com. There's some really cool tools there that'll help you.